Okay, Indian map, right? On your screen. Answer this no screen. Okay. Do you have a textbook with? Okay. Do you have a textbook with? Okay. Then do one favor. Please open page number 100. Open 100. Have you? Okay. Fine. Fine. So, see, see map cat. Yeah. Let's talk about uh, we our neighboring country. Uh, Figure number 313.2. Right. In extend meridians. Right. We do have a first our neighboring country start to talk from west, then is located on northwest of India, China on northeast, then Myanmar, right, eastern southern part of India, then Bangladesh of eastern side of India. Now in the pre we talked about longitude, latitude, right? So are two straight lines, right? One line that's from and second line from. Do you find that line? Okay. Distance of India from Kashmir to Kashmir means from north to south, right? 3,814 kilometers. And the lines that's from east, right? Distance, right? Is by Nepal and Bhutan. This passes by Bhutan, both the countries. Geographical distance of the nations are not considered, except their geographical distance. Total distance from west to is 2033 kilometers. Are you clear about that? Now see, eh, see, you right peninsula, right? So that is covered three-sided. That's called right planum. It's a geographical term. We our if we talked about southern part, then it's a triangle, right? Sri Lanka, the neighboring country, below. Now sea lies in the west south of India. Then Bengal lies in the east of India, right? Are there? See, right? Small dots with yellow you may find in the Bay of, and that's Andaman Island, and a black you may find in that's called Lakshadweep, right? Now about longitude and latitude. But before going the longitude, see line passes through. Do you find Tropic of Cancer? It's up means upper side Myanmar. Do you find you pick up Cancer? Okay. So uh, Tropic of Cancer, right? So you have best regards of Tropic of Cancer. That's of line the globe into southern part and northern part. So equator is there, right? There, but equator divided into and it is divided into temperate terms. So the Tropic of Cancer, the below side of the region that comes below of Cancer, right, get sunlight. That means the sun. While the upper part got slanting. So related to the that one and the correct line that the globe into two parts. Okay, you are right. You are right. So do you find Tropic of Cancer? So this is through the below side East India of East India, the stretch and northern part. No, 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 no. See northern part, right? So maybe above Gandhinagar, right? Maybe about. So it's the tropic of Cancer. Longitude and right in the see the west side in on your map there is a number mentioned 60.7. Do you and in east side 87.25. Do you find? Yeah. Straight 82.30. The line you find in the northern eastern side of right that part Nepal also. Do you find that line? Right. It's a longitude and latitudinal right or figures Indian location. So you all are clear about our India's location through map. Okay. So are you able to about the map? If some if I ask you to write about the India's location and size in the world map, are you able to write down 6 to 7 lines? Right. So I'm going to tell you. Right. So India is the country in the world located southern part of Asian. Okay. Then you magnitude and longitudinal and latitude figures of. Then talk about India. Then uh, tem- difference temperate difference India and southern India. Mention the reason, right? Then Tropic of Cancer, right? Then that passes through the Tropic of Cancer. That means Tropic of Cancer, uh, mm, which regions of India? About the sea that covered western, southern, and east of India, islands of India, and then on the northern geography plain and Himalaya regions, to deserts, right, and forest, right. Southern geography that means rivers, right, right. Rainy forest is in the eastern sides because Bay of Bengal is very nearby, so mostly heavy rainfall is. So such kind of important information, right, helps you to write in geography. So in regards of this map, this explanation. Okay. Repeat your question, please. Oh, it's a geography, right? That this latitudinal. Okay. Now see that I want to say you. That I want to say you. As I told you, right? Due to the rotation, the time difference, right, in around Gujarat. So that's due to the longitude and latitude, right? India decided a standard time to all states, even though their time of sunrise, sunset from rest of the states, right? So IST, Indian Standard Time, represent and sent, right? You even though our sunrise and sunset time is different from one state to another, right? And that represents longitudinal and latitudinal difference. Okay. Now last two lines of 100 of in India 32.8 meter and India ranks 7th in the world of area. Earth larger than India are, right? You know that Russia, right, lies in the two continents, Asia and Europe, right? That see in the map world's present on the next page. Figure number 13, strategic location of India. So see the location, yeah, India, and Russia, as you know that, continent. Canada is the second largest. USA, China, Australia. So this is what our discussion on page number. Do you have any question? Very nice. Very nice. Now next page 101. Study the map. Do you find map in your textbook? This all about air route and sea route. Right? About air route and sea route. Map, right? What? હા એ જો ડોટ વાળી છે that sea route in black is air route. Now let's start, right? So the first paragraph, right? Or the first paragraph on page number one. The land area of India, South Asia, right? That very clearly find in the given map. North lofty mountains are spread over hundreds of from west to east direction. Why? The commuting with and China is possible only through located at altitude. Bay of Bengal lies to the east, Arabian Sea to the west, Indian Ocean to the south of India. The sea utilized as waterway. The land routes are by surrounding mountains has accepted all cultural elements from outside and this merged into Indian society. Right? Is all information. Do you have any? Actually, this is all. Right? See, now let's discuss map. So India lies in the southern that you know very well, right? Asian છે Indian location છે. Surrounded by three seas, right? Arabian Bengal and Indian Ocean. That okay. Now Cancer. You find Tropic of Cancer very nice. African continent. African continent ના કેટલી છે? Right? See, that's a Asian. If we talked about African, right? Sudan, Egypt, Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania, where you don't find. Where it is. Where's Uganda? Okay. So, हाँ बोलो. Yes, yes, yes. Brown colored Uganda. Yeah, right. So these are the small countries, continents. Now, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Iraq, right? Uh, Uzbekistan, Turkestan, Afghanistan, India, Tibet, and China. The northern side of China is there, right? And then down to China, that means southern side of Myanmar, Thailand, Singapore, right? The continent and country itself. Now see the air routes, right? All the air from west to east to west and west to right passes through India. Are you getting? For example, the air route from Japan to Thailand to Delhi, Delhi, Iran, Iraq, Turkey, then Western countries. આપણે વેસ્ટમાં જવા માટે એ બી દિલ્હી જુઓ. Then Australia, right? Here to Jordan is through southern part of India. Are you getting? And see sea route. Sea route there. Suez Canal you find near. joined can near near Saudi Arabia. So that's a man that joined, right, Arabian means to યુરોપ. સુએઝ એ મેનમેડ કેનલ છે. એમાં છે કે જે આખો આફ્રિકાનો રાઉન્ડ ફર્યો હતો ને, વાસ્કો ડી ગામા ફર્યો માટે, એ નહીં ફરવાનો. સુએઝ કેનલમાંથી સીધું સાયપ્રસના સીમાં એન્ડ ધેન રીચ ટુ ધ યુરોપ. સો દેટ ઇઝ સુએઝ કેનલ. સો ઓફ ધ શિપ્સ, right, right, passes through, entered into India and go to Pacific Ocean. Do you find Pacific Ocean? So that's why India's location is very important. See, because all the as well as air routes passes passes through. Okay.